Hi, thank you very much for checking out my profile on Upwork. My name is Saifur Rahman. Guys, I am an Amazon store manager and I did my graduation in computer science. For any issues or challenges that you are facing in Amazon as a seller or you want to build your own new Amazon store, I am here to help you at any time. Guys, I have vast hands-on experience on Amazon FBA store management. I have experience in product research, product sourcing, logistics and shipping, inspection, product listing optimization, front end, back end, seller center related any task, launching and ranking of the product. That you can also see from my previous history that I have worked for my previous clients, and also in progress jobs you can see from my Upwork history. Client experience is number one priority, and that's reflected in numerous 5-star reviews on my profile. This is core to my work as a freelancer and I take great pride in over delivering. I have worked with high profile organizations in my career. As I have some other experiences as well, like I have experience in Shopify, in wholesale FBA, in Kindle. Guys, I would like to tell you that I have my YouTube channel as well called Learn with Saif, where I teach Chinese language and Amazon FBA, and I have more than 5,000 subscribers there on my channel where I upload videos, and you can also visit my channel as well. Guys, I really enjoy knowledge sharing and helping other sellers. So, I would really love to hear about your project and most importantly, how I can help you. Contact me today so we can schedule a quick call to ensure that I will be a great fit for you. Thank you so much for checking out my profile on Upwork, and I look forward to meeting you. See you in my chat.